Ever wondered what a Bain Marie is and why it's crucial in the culinary world? Well, the answer lies in the delicate dance of heat and temperature control. The Bain Marie, also known as a water bath or double boiler, is a cooking method that gently warms or cooks sensitive foods. Imagine a mother cradling her baby, providing a protective barrier against the harsh world outside. That's exactly what a Bain Marie does for your custards, sauces, chocolates, and candies, shielding them from the direct, scorching heat of the stove or oven. So, how does this culinary marvel work? Picture a pair of containers, one larger and one smaller. The larger one is filled with hot water, and the smaller one, holding the food, nestles cozily inside. The gentle, consistent heat from the water bath envelops the smaller container, offering a protective cocoon of warmth. The uses of a Bain Marie are as varied as they are plentiful. From creamy custards such as crème brûlée and flan, to delicate desserts like cheesecakes and soufflés, it's the secret to their silky smoothness. For sauces like hollandaise and béarnaise, or for melting butter and chocolate, the gentle heat ensures they blend seamlessly without splitting. And it's a chocolate lover's best friend, melting chocolate to a silky stream without scorching a single cocoa bean. Plus, it's a lifesaver during service, keeping dishes warm without overcooking them. The traditional Bain Marie is a simple setup of two pots or pans, one nestled inside the other. But the modern kitchen has seen the advent of electric versions, with heating elements built into the base of the outer container for even more precise temperature control. Now, a few tips for those ready to try their hand at this technique. Monitor your water level. You want enough to create steam, but not so much that it splashes into your food. A lid on the outer container helps keep the heat and steam in. Stir your food occasionally to ensure even heating, and always handle with care to avoid burns. In the grand theater of cooking, the Bain Marie is the unsung hero, quietly ensuring that foods are heated gently and evenly. It's a favorite tool among chefs, beloved for its ability to maintain exact temperatures and its versatility in handling a wide range of delicate foods and preparations. So next time you bite into a perfectly smooth custard or a piece of exquisitely melted chocolate, remember the humble Bain Marie that made it all possible.